Start the new year off right. I meal planned for this week. Excuse my sloppy handwriting. I'm a left-hander. Thursday, I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do yet, but I did my meal plan. I went to Kroger and did grocery pickup. Alexa, off. I went to Kroger and did our grocery pickup for today, and then we just had some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch. And now I'm gonna start cleaning. I need to do some dishes and laundry and clean my one room for the day. And I just fed this little handsome fella some baby food in his new high chair. We got him the Juvie Voodoo high chair, and I really, really like it. Yes, I do. Hey, Sunshine. Say hi. Luca. What do you think of that camera? What you doing? Say hi. Peepa chicken nugget. Okay, I'm just cleaning up my bathroom, and I found some empties that I want to share with you guys. This one is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. I like to try to use up my skincare products, and I used up all of this one. I wouldn't repurchase. I didn't love the smell. I got this in a gift set. I mean, it worked for the most part, but I didn't really love it, so. The next one is this Caldrea Lavender Hand Lotion. I would repurchase this. It smells really good, and I like that it has a pump. And then this last thing is the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. This is super old. And I wouldn't repurchase this. Finish up this Pacifica Berry Matcha Face Lotion. I did really like it, but I feel like it's a little expensive for how much you get, and I don't really like putting scents on my face, but it didn't seem to irritate my skin at all, even though it was scented. So, but I do love the Pacifica brand, so I would repurchase this probably, but I have others I need to finish up first. Is it good? He's having some raspberries in his little spoon feeder. Is that delicious? Is it so yummy? What do you think, bud? Go back for more. Oh, is it a little bit sour? Is it a little bit sour? What do you think, Sunshine? So I told you guys my grandma gave me some of her books a few weeks ago. Let me show you the ones she gave me. She has all these Nicholas Sparks books. This one is The Notebook. And then we've got Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, which I can read to the girls. I can actually put that in the homeschool pile. Message in a Bottle. The Wedding. The Guardian. A Walk to Remember. At First Sight. True Believer. The Rescue. The 3 Weeks with My Brother. A Bend in the Road. And Nights in Rodent. So she gave me all these books. She loves Nicholas Sparks, and I'm sure you've all seen like the movie, The Notebook, and everything. But he's a really good writer, and I want to read all these books that my grandmother read. And I'm super excited to have this collection. Okay, I've thrifted some more books for homeschool for Reagan. This is Dr. Seuss ABC. Bears in the Night. It's like Berenstain Bears. Mr. Brown Can Moo Can You. Old Hat New Hat. Bears on Wheels. This one's for Bradley. Reagan can use it later, but this is The Real Girl's Guide to Everything. This is another like growing up type of book for kids. Real Girl's Guide to Everything That Makes It Awesome to Be a Girl. Can't get this off, but this one's for Bradley. I Survived the Sinking of the Titanic, 1912. Step Into Reading, Frozen, Good Christmas Party, and Dr. Seuss, Oh, the Things You Can Think.